have the Axxis Hawk Evo Sick Joke Edition helmet. Heavily inspired by a certain DC Comics character, it's sure to turn some heads. While the Pinlock visor is not included, it is of course highly recommended. It'll make a huge difference to your ride outs on those days the weather isn't quite optimal. Moving on, we have the main piece itself, comfortably located in the premium fabric bag. As you'll see, the lid sports some beautiful looking graphics and striking colours designed to stand out from the crowd. Vents located on the top and at the front allow for a nice airflow, able to shoot directly out the back underneath a discreet but stylish spoiler. The helmet uses a micrometric strap securely fastening under your chin to ensure maximum safety. In all, Axxis have created a wonderful lid that not only looks stunning, but will provide you with remarkable safety.